Yes, that just happened. So, hello guys, Shai here. Welcome to Chubby Cubes. This is Chubby, the mascot of the channel, and no one cares about him except for me. Like the video if you care about him. This is the worst and the best 2x2 that I have. This is only one. Same with the worst and the best 3x3 that I have. Can my jacket stop? Now on to the video of what you came here for, or maybe not, just pass by. I'm going to teach you this stuff. Notations. Yeah. So, the first notations are all clockwise, which is R. I repeat, this is R. You bring it up. See this one? You bring this side up. That's R. And then this is L. If it's L, you bring it down. This is R. And this is L. And then this is B. This is B. Okay. You see this side? As you can see, this is your front. And this is your back. Then you bring it like that. Then that's B. And then this is D. That's D. I repeat, this is D. And then this is F. See your front? You bring this side up. There you go, that's F. And then this is U. See this side? Just turn it. That's U. And then the other ones are the ones with the apostrophe. There. You call it R prime. So if this is R, this is R prime. This is L, this is L prime. If this is B, this is B prime. If this is D, this is D prime. If this is F, this is F prime. If this is U, this is U prime. Now let me just do that again. This is U prime. This is B prime. This is F prime. This is L prime. This is D prime. This is R prime. Now this is R. This is D. What did I do next? This is L. This is F. This is B. And this is U. So that's the notations. So for example, notations are used for algorithms, just like the sexy move. Now, yeah, there's many people call it that. But I'm just going to teach you the sun. Or is it the anti-sun? I'm not sure. So the sun move is R, U, R prime, U, R, then U2. There you go. And this is the sun. Okay. This is the anti-sun, right? Well, yeah. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, and then R prime. And just keep on doing that. I just want. There you go. So you can see, yeah, many people don't know the notations. Like, people in my class, like, how'd you solve so fast? Teach me how to solve. And then I'm like, okay, let's start off with the basic. R. And then they're like, R what? What? And I'm like, oh my god, these people. So that's the notations, and here's a copy of it. I hope every pamphlet has notations, because this notation thing is really important, especially if you are starting off to being a cuber. My sister wants to be, fast, and she wants to learn. So I gave her all the notations and all the copy of the algorithms. So she has a cube notebook right now. Still learning, but yeah. Let's do this for the thumbnail. Okay guys, that's it for the video. That's notations, and hope you guys like it, and hope you guys understand the video, even though it's on a different angle. Oh, there you go. I know this is on a different angle, but this is what works for me. But if you guys want a different angle, just comment it down below, because, Okay guys, that's it for the video. Peace out. Stay awesome.